Work well as much as I can because I can't be showing y'all everything, but I'm going to show y'all the transformation of Thunder, so stay tuned. I'm about to go to hair and makeup, and then I'm going to record as much as I can. I'm going to show y'all everything. Hey, I'm going to show y'all everything I can. Hey y'all, I'm going to show y'all everything I can. I keep getting interrupted, but I'm talking to y'all got my attention. As much as I can show, I'm going to show, but I'm going to hair and makeup. Anthony's calling me right now. Anthony, say hi. Anthony's like, get your ass to set. So I'm on my way. First stop, this is with Manny. Manny, say hi to my friends. I call him TT Manny. So we're about to get this hair right, from my curls to Thunder's famous two ponytail braid look. All right, halfway there.
Great. All right, Nafisa.
Okay. So go.
He's gonna get some shrimp for you.
Not bad.
We've got to be ready on set by.
Okay, let's go. All right, so now in order for my goggles, can I see my goggles? They're in the safety vault. We don't get to. They don't just get to lay out. So in order for my goggles to lay flat on my face without having any like strings attached to my ears or
that seamless look.
Exactly. So we have to put magnets on my face. Attached to these magnets. All of this is magnetic, so it attaches. But first, in order for this to just sit up like this, I need magnets. So here we go. And they have to get glued on. And it's a very tedious process, right, guys? This is Dustin. Introduce you guys.
I'm Dustin.
Introduce yourself.
Sophie.
We are Super Suits. So we take care of the Thunder costume.
There we go. So this starts the process.
Alright. If you'll count that for me. Thank you.
We see the little dots here, so we place the magnets directly on these dots, and that's how the goggles stay. Okay, I guess that's kind of the same. We usually place the glue on that instead of directly to my face.
Yep, it's on both.
Oh.
It actually helps it adhere better to your face, so it doesn't actually come off.
Okay.
It's the same process, just a little bit better to adhere it. So it's on this and it's on that, and then it just helps it stick a whole lot better.
I'm just really like about the glue directly on my face. And it held pretty well last year.
Okay.
Without it, we never had.
You never adhered it to just to this.
Yep, just to there,
okay.
And then we stuck that on my face.
Got it.
And I prefer to do that if we can, just so I don't have that glue directly on there.
Of course,
It's really strong too.
Yep, I do. I'm gonna run and grab.
Okay, so I'm walking everybody through the process of getting dressed as Thunder. It's everybody's favorite question. It's not the easiest thing to do. It takes two people. Stay tuned. Yeah, we start with these little dots that's on my face, and that's the start.
With a little pressure of me pushing. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a big wart on my head. It's not even my complexion. Stay tuned. Alright, so we did hair, we did magnets, and now it's time to do makeup. Hello, I'm back again. Oh, yeah,
You left me for Patty. You left me for Patty.
You want to watch me bounce off the walls, don't you?
I was like,
one day, so
I was like, you
many a seven.
don't make me like that no more.
I won't.
Please.
Oh.
I looked over at T-Trick, I was like, boss man,
Where's my makeup at? Alright, we're good.
I need a little more love.
Everybody say love.
You wait till my friend
Everybody
get
say
back.
love.
Everybody say love. Because I'm sure she looked totally fine. Come on, edges. Got them black girl edges.
The best girl edges. Keep me coming, keep me running.
Alright, you're done. Thanks for coming. See you later.
focus with his brush, he'd be like this.
Look, that's
He get his brush and he'd be like,
I think I just need to paint it thicker.
It's painted.
Look, then she go like, okay, that's it.
I'd be like, Jeremy,
starting to beat me
stop.
now.
You're starting to beat me too much. I like it. You like that?
Yeah.
Something different. I feel you.
Right, yeah.
It's a nice happy medium.
Yeah, she's cute.
I know a gospel tune. I know.
When that first little dude, that organ came in, you already knew what was coming.
I said it before anything even dropped.
Yeah.
I listen to some good gospel now. Don't get it twisted.
I guess I never considered that. That's cool.
Look, she's done.
She's baked.
She's back.
She's back. All right, so y'all about to get a real day in life. The hurry up and wait. The knocks at the door. I hope y'all got some energy. It's gonna be a long night. All right. Me and my warts have welcomed you.
Where is my trailer here? How are you?
Mine too.
Where? The restaurant?
No.
Oh,
You can't.
oh, but you still have a.
Not stand behind her and hold her chair.
So how long does it take you to get that on?
Okay, so we did the first step. We can just keep moving as I go.
Okay.
Don't let me stop. Let me talk and stop y'all. All right, so we got the first part on. You see, it took two people to get it on, and it's going to take the both of them to finish. But this is the first part. I have to keep this under layer on because if I sweat, the sweat will go to the suit and it's neoprene, and we don't want it to show up. So you put like a undergarment on to make sure you protect the suit. Ready? Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
So how does that feel temperature-wise?
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay! That was quick.
That was so good. That was so good.
That was quick.
Normally there's a bit of a struggle.
Right.
The suit likes to come by itself.
Right. Yep, I'm good. Okay.
So good.
I gotta make sure I plant my feet because y'all be like,
Right in the way.
it is not easy for everybody to ask how long it takes to get into the suit. It's about 35 minutes in 4 hands. Can't do it by myself.
Okay, please, we got a mic here.
Okay.
I ran it back.
You hot just looking at it.
Let me pull that out.
It's like a scuba. Neoprene is like close to, I'm sure it's the same material family. Scuba.
Right here, mic.
Okay.
Hands gotta go down boobs sometimes.
Oh yeah. Sometimes they have to take their hands and like, they'll probably do it.
So that's where the microphone is
Lift the
going.
cup up.
Right now we're just putting her mic on and we're about to zip her up. I'm gonna attach it here.
Good day.
Oh, she got so out bent over. I literally couldn't do this if I tried. can't. There's no way I can see back there.
There is they're new suits too.
So yeah,
they'll just for
super
the
tight.
season, so they're gonna be tight.
Thing.
It's a very seamless.
It's like an
natural-
invisible snap. Can we pull my hair out of?
If Thunder really had to go through this to put her suit
Right,
on.
she be dead. It'd be a wrap for old girl.
For them to be.
Let me try to help you. So once you get it in the spot, I'll push.
Okay.
So if you wanna, that's about it. If you wanna take that off, and then I'll help you push the pressure.
Velcro's on.
Right.
Yeah, I did announce it.
Did I take the thing off or did I leave it?
Down.
That back piece.
Mm-hmm. There it is.
Yep, girl, don't be scared to use your grip. You need all of it with this fucking costume. I know.
Great, that's what.
Ooh, that little black, the back piece, the drawstring is right on the heel of my foot. Then we have to wipe it down with Armor wipes like I am a fresh car. Like a fingerprints, dust. Well, we got the suit done.
I'm gonna need you to turn.
Sometimes there's very serious talks that you guys don't know are happening, but they happen. It ain't easy, but it's worth every minute.
So tell the people that would be wearing that Thunder Halloween costume. Is it?
Make it easier than this. Don't make your costume. This is commit yourself for Halloween. I'm really excited to see y'all versions of Thunder. I've seen a couple. It's October, which means Halloween is coming up in a couple weeks. So get y'all Thunder on for Halloween. I want to see your homemade Thunder costumes. All wipes to give it that shine. Take all the dust off. No fingerprints. Look like a superhero who's about to kick some ass, but she clean and smooth.
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm done. Easy, right?
Easy.
Okay, it's time to go to set. So snap, snap, my mask, goggles are on. It's time to go to set. I wish I could bring y'all with me, but if I brought y'all with me, y'all wouldn't tune into this episode. So, thanks for kicking it with me. Y'all saw the process. I'm hot, y'all. I'm like, we got the cooling tank going. I promise y'all, what is it, like 90 degrees here in Atlanta? It's October 2nd. This has to literally chill. So, thanks for tuning with me, but y'all can't go. Bye.